Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy S24 screen glitching or display problems. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on software update, and after clicking on software update, click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. And after updating your mobile software, your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings again, scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and here click on reset, and then scroll down and click on reset all settings. Now here again click on reset settings to confirm, and after you will click on this reset settings option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. So after that your problem will be definitely fixed. But if you are still facing the problem, then the last solution is restart your mobile. So to restart, swipe down and open quick settings panel, and here click on this icon. Now here you will see a restart option, so click on this option and then again click on this restart option here to confirm. And after clicking on this option, your mobile will be restarted, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.